After replacing the motherboard, the laptop shows serial number manufacturing error. I'll update the serial number and show you how to add it. First, create a bootable USB. I have already created one and will share another video on how to create a bootable USB for HP laptop serial number. Check my other videos for that.
Here is software detail, and I will show you how to create HP bootable USB for DMI serial number update. First, you have to make bootable DMI. Click on that and run as administrator, and run. After that, I will show you the file. Here is file is running, and click any key, and USB is already attached, and enter the drive. E drive in drive is one, and here is uh, asking for the format. Yes, for format it. Yes, delete all the data, or USB is formatting. And after that, I will show you the file detail and bootable detail. Enter the image, use drive. 1, press 1, and here is writing configuration file for the drive. This is a method for the making USB bootable USB for the HP.
Plug in the bootable USB and press F9 to boot from the USB. You can see that the serial number is not added to the new motherboard. After booting from the USB, follow the instruction and carefully write the information. Check the description for the link to the Part Server website, where you can copy the build ID and feature byte information. Search your laptop serial number in Part Server and the laptop information will be shown. You can then add this information to your laptop as I have demonstrated. After writing the information, restart the laptop multiple times and boot from the USB. In the last step, the laptop will show you that all information was written successfully and then shut down. Power up the laptop again and press F10 to see the serial number and all other information written successfully.
Subscribe to my channel.
In last step, I show you PartServer website detail where you can copy all the information. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to Tech Error channel for more computer error solutions. Leave the comment if you have any query. Thank you so much. See you again.